Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So a lot of you guys have asked about the button configuration on the Galaxy Note 9 and if it's much different than the Galaxy Note 8 and if there's a shift. So I want to just show it to you next to a Galaxy Note 9 case and show you where the buttons actually lie at. So here it is right here, and I'm going to zoom a little bit. So as you can see there, the Galaxy Note 9 button, the Bixby button, is a little higher. Or wait, power button, I'm sorry. Power button is a little, the button configuration is a little higher. So if I turn over to this side, you can see it is just a tad bit higher. Now I did try on the Galaxy Note 9 case onto the Galaxy Note 8. And obviously the back camera area is different. However, the buttons still worked. They're not that far apart to where they won't work. So, but you know, that was just a test that somebody wanted me to see. But you can clearly see here that the buttons are shifted on the Galaxy Note 9. They moved them up. Why they did that, I don't know. It's shifted just a hair. And then if I actually take it off here and show you, take off my Rhino shield real fast and show you actually next to the phone. When you look at it next to the phone, it doesn't look like it's shifted too much, but it is shifted. They're shifted up a little bit. So that is how the Galaxy Note 9 buttons are going to be. And I don't know why they shifted the buttons. People, if you ask people, they'll probably give you some crazy reason. Oh, they had to move it because no one really knows. They shifted the buttons on the Galaxy Note 9 up, and that's what it is. So this is a Galaxy Note 9 case, obviously you can tell. But that is the way it'll be. So with that being said, the Galaxy Note 9, when I did feel it, it felt smaller for some reason. I don't know why, but it did. But the Galaxy Note 9 buttons are a little bit farther up, and compared to the Galaxy Note 8. And there you have it. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Question answered.